Hello guys, hope you're doing good. This is Syedmukarram. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Let's get started with today's series. What we are covering today, it's Tableau series, and let's get started with what we have today is about how to export our worksheet into different type of format. Like you can do it. You can export your worksheet in a PDF file or in Word or on your PowerPoint. It's on you how you do it and how you represent your data. Like example, if you want, see, we have very beautiful data of office supplies in United States for the company, and these are the representatives, Alex, Bill, and so on till Thomas, and these are the regions of Central, East, and West of United States. We could see in the East region, richest have sold 396 units, and in the Central units, we can see Alex has done 281 unit sales, and then in the West we have most that James 142 units has been sold by him. So if you see, if this is the data what is you have taken, and then you have visualized in Tableau, but you have done your work till over here, but what is next is like saving your data and then representing it in exporting it into different files, like into Word or PPT format or in PDF, to explain your boss that what is the sales and how it is working. So let's see how we can do it. We have very good data of sales of different representative in different region, and with sales margin or the sales calculation. So let's see how we can export this data from here. So we need to go to worksheet and then click on the export image. Then we need to do save over here, and then we can do as like this is for, let's see, labeling format. So we need to do just see as a one we can save. So let's save it. And the one shortcut key, we don't need to go to like worksheet and then export and then image. We can click over here itself, then we can see copy, and then we can click image over here itself, then copy. See, this is what we have done. We have copied the worksheet, and then see, this is our Word document what I have, and I need to do just Control V, save the data, and then we have copied, and then we are pasting Control V, and see this how the beautiful the data is with representative by side, Alex, Bill, James, and so on at the right side, and then we have and the completely with unit sales and with some of unit representative has been sold, so on. But over here we could see labels and formatting on the top of it, which is not right, so we need to change it. So we can do just by renaming the data of our worksheet, that we can do sales data, or we can do sales data, and the month we can say April 2020, yes, 2021. So let's see, yes, sales data April 2021 worksheet has been saved. Then again we need to copy this and copy the image, and we can select over here different options like caption, view, and title, where we need to show it. Image options of downward is like color legend is that one, so we can give that into sidewise or down or the top or left. So let's see, we can click over here, and this is the top wise, and this is side by side, and this is the down one, vertical, and this is horizontal. Let's take horizontal over this and copy this image, and then we can do this the same. This is the previous data, or else we can do